Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I will show you how to sign up on Invideo. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in Invideo. Hit enter and you will see some search results. So on this page you'll have to make sure that you navigate to the Invideo's official website, not Invideo AI's website. So there are two versions of Invideo, the AI video generator and the Invideo video editor. So we are going to talk about how to sign up on Invideo video editor. Navigate to this site that says classic.invideo.io. Make sure you click on this website. Click on this Invideo button and you will be promoted to this page. So when you click on that link, it will again navigate you to the Invideo AI page. Simply click on this small pop-up at the top that you'll be able to see. So click on this invideo.io/studio. When you click on this, you will see the icon of Invideo getting changed from blue to pink. So this is the official video editing site for Invideo. Here, in order to sign up, click on the sign up button at the top right corner. When you click on sign up, you will be promoted to this page. On this page, you can sign up using Google, or you can enter your name, email and password and click on create account. So I will enter my name, email and password, then click on create account. When I click on create account, this will automatically promote me to this page. Now I will have to enter what define your role best. So I will click on YouTuber and click on continue. You can enter the name of your team. You can invite people with email address by entering their email here, but I'm going to click on skip for now. Now tell how did you hear about Invideo. So I will choose TV and click on continue. Now choose what is your primary goal in using Invideo to create videos. So I will choose none of the above and click on continue. Now choose for which platform do you primarily create videos. I'm going to choose YouTube videos and click on continue. And successfully I'm signed up on my Invideo's page. And that's how you can also sign up on Invideo following my instructions. So that's the simple way to do it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.